How to withdraw money from Bitget to Gcash on PC. Now first of all, open your Bitget account and head over to buy crypto. Now click on P2P trading, and now after that click on sell option because we want to withdraw the money. After that, select the token that you want to withdraw. For this example, it will be USDT, and here select your currency. After that, as you can see, so to be able to find the Gcash bank, you need to select the currency of Philippines. It will be PHP. Now after you select your currency, you can set the amount that you want to sell, and after that click on payment, and now you can find your bank here, as you can see. So this is it. Now click on it. After that, select one of these providers that you want to sell your token to, for example this one. Now click on sell. After that, you can type here how much you want to sell, and here you will be able to see how much you will be able to receive on your currency that you select. After that, click on add payment method to add your Gcash account, and after that click on sell USDT, and you will be able to receive your money in about a few minutes on your Gcash account. So this is how to withdraw money from Bitget to Gcash on PC. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.